Ever wondered what's the secret recipe of your favorite keyword research tool to get their keyword ideas and estimated search volume? Wonder no more, as I will show you their secret sauce. I mean the real secret source. The first source is scraping Google search results. To do this, keyword tools can use Google Search API or third-party options like Scraping Bee or Outscraper. This allows them to use bots that quickly check Google for the desired information, and these scrapers focus on 4 areas. The first one is Google Autocomplete suggestions. These are the queries Google shows when users start typing into their search bar. A common way to get a list of keyword ideas from Autocomplete is using the alphabet soup technique. Next is the People Also Ask box. Here, Google displays questions they think are related to the search. PAA boxes have become increasingly popular as a keyword research process, mainly by showing long-tail keywords and questions that you can quickly add to an existing article. Another option is Google-related searches. This is how they show alternative keywords to users reaching the bottom of the page without clicking on any results. And the fourth area is People Also Search For. This box usually appears after you click on a result and return to the search results page. This way, Google shows alternative searches right below the search someone just clicked. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe and go to SEOtesting.com to see all the cool things you can do with Google Search Console data to increase traffic. Back to the regular programming, scraping the pages that rank for a query is another common keyword source. In simple terms, the tools will use an algorithm to analyze the page's content and interpret the relationship between words. For example, some tools might focus on keyword frequency, similar keywords, and content overlap between the top ranking pages. This method has the advantage of training algorithms with thousands of search results pages, and they can notice the most important and mentioned entities in the top results. Next comes Google Search Console data as a source. It's so important that granting access to Google Search Console data is like giving a spare key to your house front door. Some services with Google Search Console access will use this data to do what they call improving the service. In plain English, this means they will use your data to get more accurate keyword volumes for their other customers. To know how a tool uses your Google Search Console data, check their terms of service and privacy policies. Such a funny thing to do, I know. At SEO Testing, we do not use your Google Search Console data for any other purpose than to display it to you in the dashboard. And we do not share or sell it to third parties. Google Ads Keyword Planner is an extremely popular keyword source, especially for free SEO tools. Google Ads is seen as a reliable source because it is an official Google product, showing keyword volumes for the last 12 months. This tool is free, but Google doesn't want people to use the data for SEO. This is why they have stopped showing exact keyword volumes and started showing ranges instead. Google also started to group synonyms and misspellings, which can sometimes cause discrepancies. Ahrefs conducted a study finding that Google Ads overestimates search volume for more than 91% of their keywords and is roughly accurate 45% of the time. This means that using Google Ads Keyword Planner as your only research tool isn't as accurate as before. The next keyword source is Clickstream data. This is anonymized data gathered from tracking the users across the internet. Clickstream data is then aggregated and used to construct models that help estimate monthly search volumes. By their very nature, head search terms get many more searches and appear more in the training data, making it easier to estimate their volume. This is why tools relying on Clickstream data can have a hard time estimating long-tail keyword volumes. Social media sites and forums can be a gold mine of relevant keywords. After all, these are terms with genuine interest from users as they write about it publicly. Tools using these sources can find keywords with less competition because most other tools say these don't have search interest. The next tool is Google Trends, an interesting keyword source because it has data from Google Search, News, Shopping, and YouTube. Google Trends categorize the popularity from 0 to 100, where 100 means all-time peak interest for that search. Keyword tools can use this data in correlation with Google Ads Keyword Planner for better estimating search volume around the year. This helps them understand the topic's seasonality and determine whether interest is trending up or down. Now you know what's the secret recipe. And if you want to make the most out of your Google Search Console data, use SEO testing to set up SEO tests to know what changes to your site increase traffic. We have a 14-day trial where you can test the tool without limitations. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Tastes like ranking #1 on Google.